Hi, my name is Anna Hand, and I'm just here to share some of my experiences in STEM with you guys. Some of the cool things that I've been doing is I am a lead mentor in my physics program in my college, which is really awesome. And then I also work at Textron Aviation in Wichita, Kansas. So you can see one of the insides of one of our jets behind me. I'm actually a processing engineering intern. So I'm helping with planning and doing some other things that are really cool with safety. And I am really excited because since I'm online, I have not only done a summer internship with them, but I'm doing a fall internship with them as well. And next summer, I will go to Maryland and work with their unmanned systems, helping design some of their unmanned aircraft and seacraft, which will be awesome. And then finally, I traveled to New York City last year, and I actually attended the United Nations Convention on the Status of Women as a delegate and advocate for issues related to women in STEM. I just wanted to talk about my experience running a STEM science camp last summer. We had a great time. It was a month long, and each week we had an individual camp, so they focused on different things like robotics and math and coding. We did space camp, which was really awesome, and we had kids in middle school as well as elementary school that attended these camps, and we basically, as college students, planned all this curriculum to make math and science really fun and exciting. And we did have lots of girls as well as children of color in these camps, and so particularly we wanted to focus on them and to individually talk about kind of different career paths, what their interests were, how they might pursue different careers in STEM, and the individual component of talking to those children was really important with that. We also did our best to reduce math and science apprehension. That was really important to me since I struggled with that when I was little. Again, working with each child individually to make sure that just because you're struggling with something doesn't mean that you have to give up or that you're bad at it, but that you can do it. You just need the encouragement and maybe a little bit more work and practice to make sure that you can do that. And then finally, we tried to mimic like what a workplace would be like for different people, and we put them into groups, and we encouraged our quieter voices to maybe step out and be a little bit more forthcoming when they had ideas and all that kind of stuff. But our quiet and dominant, or our loud and dominant voices, we kind of encouraged them to sit back a little bit more sometimes and listen to what other people had to say and encourage that collaboration that is so, so important, and mimic not only a workplace, but basically taking these real world problems and puzzles that are thrown at us every day in the STEM field and encouraging real problem solving. I just have one more little thing to add, and this kind of goes back to, I spoke about the struggle that I've had and that so many people have with math and science apprehension. You know, these subjects can be daunting and terrifying, and people hear that I'm a physics major and I'm working with engineers, and they're like, oh my gosh, I just could never do that. That's something that I can never do. And that really hits me hard, because one of my favorite sayings is everything is figure outable. There is a solution to almost everything. And that includes struggling with math and science. And if I have anything to tell young girls or people of color or anybody that's in a minority or anybody that's thinking about going into the STEM field, it is that everything is figure outable. When you struggle on something, when you're not sure if you're going to do, when you fail a test, you can figure it out. It's not the end of the world. And even if you fail a class, get back up, pick yourself up, and figure it out, because you can do it. Doesn't mean you're bad at it. It just means that you maybe need to work a little bit harder than other people that you're around. But you can still do it, and you're still going to succeed. So good luck on everything, and have a great day.